Today we are here to discuss something which is the burning topic at this time. Perhaps the one thing that the world is waiting for at this time is a vaccine against Covid-19. Now, I don't need to tell you what Covid-19 is or what causes it. But what we need to discuss is whether a vaccine will be available soon. If yes, will it be effective? Will the vaccine be affordable? Would it be possible to vaccinate the entire population? Let's find out. Several agencies and pharmaceutical companies around the world are trying to prepare a vaccine against this disease. Like all drugs, vaccines need to pass through several stages before being released for commercial use. These are the preclinical and clinical trials. First of all, vaccines are tested on laboratory mammals, a rodent and a non-rodent. If proven safe on the mammals, the vaccines are cleared to be tested on humans. Human trials are essentially a three-stage procedure wherein the vaccine is administered to people who sign up for these trials on a voluntary basis. The number of people subsequently increases in successive phases of trials. Also, several factors like potency, efficacy, lethal dose, and adverse effects are tested. Presently, the vaccine being developed by the collaboration between Astra Zeneca and Oxford University has reached the third, that is to say, final stage of the trial. A vaccine is also being developed by a tie-up between ICMR, that is the Indian Council of Medical Research, and Hyderabad-based BharatBioTech in our own country, India. The vaccine has entered the second phase of human trials. The name of this vaccine is Covaxin. It is an inactivated vaccine, which means killed viruses are used in it. The vaccine was developed by obtaining a strain of the virus from a patient's serum. The first phase human trial of this vaccine at Rohtak PGIMS, that is a Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, on 50 volunteers on 17th July 2020 showed encouraging results. Later, AIIMS Delhi and Patna also dosed volunteers and results were good. Second phase is expected to start anytime soon. The patients in phase 1 were given 2 doses of the vaccine as per double-blind method, that is, one dose was the vaccine itself and the other was a placebo. Apart from Covaxin, Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila is also making a DNA vaccine called ZyCoV-D. Though it is lagging behind in the race, it is still a ray of hope. However, with so much work going on around the world, it is no wonder that we will get a vaccine anytime soon. Even Oxford AstraZeneca are claiming that the vaccine might be available in the market as soon as December 2020. Even if we get a vaccine, will it be so easy for the approximately 137 crore people of this country to be vaccinated quickly? Besides, the manufacturing of such a large number of vaccines is yet another challenge. But another question is arising. Will the vaccine be at all effective? There are several cases where recovered COVID-19 patients are getting reinfected. Whether this is due to a failure of the patient's immune system to develop memory T cells or mutations in the virus is still unknown. But this raises a serious question mark to the efficacy of the vaccine. Also arises the question of whether there would be any adverse effects of the vaccine in the long run, adverse effects which may have not been seen to arise in the short phase of clinical trials. Hence, it is we who need to stay alert. Let's put on our masks and maintain the distance between us. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming content.